Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or should I now say that welcome back to my obsession series of getting my nails done every month. Last time I made a vlog where I was getting my nails done for the very first time. I got these nails extensions and as you can see इसकी तो हालत ही खराब हो गई है. इस पे छोटा सा क्रैक आया था and it's hurting me so much. But after a month, तो जो ऐसे वाले nail extensions होते हैं they work very well for a month and after that मुझे नहीं पता क्या होता है but मैं थोड़ा सा लेट हो गई इन्हें रिफिल करवाने में because I was busy with work and everything and छोटा सा क्रैक आ गया. I guess ये जिम की वजह से आया है. But anyway, last time was my very first time of getting my nails extensions done and उन्होंने जो भी बोला मैंने सब करवा लिया अपने nails पे. But this time I have some idea कि मुझे क्या चाहिए. So I'm putting the photo right over here. So these are called French tips या फिर French manicure nails, French nail extensions, something like that. I want something similar. Probably मैं कुछ colors भी add करवा लूँगी if I feel like या फिर अगर मुझे कुछ समझ में आया. And I just think that this is turning into a new hobby, a new obsession. I used to like see girls so many times जो कि ना like बहुत regularly nail parlor जाते थे and I was like मैं ये शायद कभी नहीं कर पाऊँगी. But look at me now. I'm just confessing right here. Okay, so the last time I went to this place called Posh Nail Salon which I found randomly on the internet and I was like okay, let's just try it. And they did how to use words anymore. They did such an amazing job and ये actually बहुत अच्छे तरीके से चले मेरे एक महीने तक. like बहुत ही wear tear हुआ है and मैंने इन्हें बहुत ही ज़्यादा extreme level पे try out किया and ये बहुत अच्छे से चले हैं. So I'm again going to that same place. Let's go. The moment I entered the nail salon, I had no idea what will happen because the time when I got the nail extensions for the very first time, that was the whole new experience. And after 30 days when it gets expired, I had no clue कि क्या होने वाला है. So my main concern to go to that salon was to get my broken nail fixed first and I had no idea कि वो ये कैसे करने वाले. I thought कि they will remove the whole nail completely and then they will do the whole step all over again. But ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. It was very simple. They just removed the gel and the nail paint with some machine and उसके बाद उन्होंने just एक Fevikwik sort of कुछ glue लगाया and that was it. I was like really? मैं इतना परेशान सिर्फ इसके लिए हो रही थी. Okay, so the first thing which they did on my nails was they removed the whole thing except the fake nail extension जो silicone का था उसको छोड़ के जो उसके ऊपर उन्होंने gel and nail paint लगाया था. They removed everything with a machine. मुझे बहुत सारे doubts थे कि how will they do it and finally मैंने सारे सच देख लिए कि how they do it. To be very honest, the whole procedure was very good to look at. But इतना ease मिल रहा था ना ऐसे जब वो nails पे से सब हटा रहे थे इतना मस्त वाला feeling आ रहा था. And उसके बाद they just trimmed my nails with that machine only. They did my length very short because I asked them to do that because of my gym and everything. उसकी वजह से ही I am thinking कि my nail got broken at the very first place. But after that they did the shape and उसको अच्छे से उन्होंने buff किया to make it more smoother. So usually what happens is if you're going to a hair salon or something like that where you're just regular and you always have that favorite person, favorite artist and you always want to go to that same person. So the person who did my buffing and everything was some other person and after that I went to the same person who did my nails for the very first time जब मैंने ऐसे vlog भी बनाया था. Because ऐसे होता है ना दिमाग में कि there's your favorite artist and तुम्हें उसी के पास जाना है. मतलब there's this weird thing that goes in your mind even though सारे बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं बट तुम्हें अपने फेवरेट पर्सन के पास ही जाना है. And after that the process was mostly similar जो उन्होंने first time किया था. I thought they will remove the whole thing and do it all over again but ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. So basically what happens is कि after a month जो extension होता है जो तुम्हारा natural nail होता है they grow sort of together and after a month when you go for a refilling they just cut the extra part and they give you a shape according to your natural nail so that natural nail becomes more stronger if that makes any sense. मैं 2 साल बाद ना वीडियो देखने वाली हूँ और मैं बोलूँगी सोनिया you were such a kid. But anyway, so they did buffing again and they did gel. The gel part is the strongest part because that keeps your extension and natural nail sort of stronger. And uske upar whenever they put any nail paint or anything whatever you want to do uske upar, that keeps it very strong. The best part is कि I used to think that way, that whenever I'll go for a refilling, whatever nail paint I'll choose or whatever I'll choose later on, they will charge me extra for that, but that is not the case. Refilling में whatever they are doing, the whole procedure, that is all included in the one thing. मैं कितना overthink कर रही थी और इसकी वजह से मैंने बहुत delay कर दिया अपना ये वाला appointment. Okay, so I got French nails done and they did very easily. I always love watching the whole process while just sitting and enjoying getting my nails done, and I get to learn a lot of new things as well. And the one thing which was new this time while I was getting my nails done was this Galaxy 9D. Okay, so what it is कि उनके nail paint में ना there's some magnetic particles, so they spread it out with some magnet only, and बहुत cool transitions भी बना सकते हो तुम उसके साथ. And it was 40 rupees each nail, and I was like ज़्यादा नहीं करवाएंगे, एक एक करवा लेते हैं दोनों हाथों में. So 80 rupees में I tried something new basically. And here are my new nails. Fancy, loving them so much. Perfect length, and these are basically my natural nails only, and उसी के ऊपर they did everything. And yeah, they look so clean and polished. And considering they are of the perfect length, तो मुझे gym में भी बहुत ज़्यादा help करने वाला है अच्छे से. Thank God, finally. And okay, so last time I forgot to mention the whole price they charged me. So last time I got my nail extensions from the scratch and everything जो मैंने उसके ऊपर करवाया, nail art, nail paint, मैंने सब करवा लिया था. I was way too excited and they charged me 2000 rupees. I was like shit यार, मम्मी बहुत डांटने वाली है. But this time it was just the refilling and थोड़ा सा मैंने बस simple basic French nails करवाए हैं with one nail art on, you know, each hand, single finger पे. So they charged me 1290, which is like okay, but still it's too much यार, because like every month I have to, you know, stop it to some extent. Like probably 2-3 महीने में एक बार करवा लिया, but still यार बहुत अच्छा लगता है करवाने में. I feel like I'm the oldest person getting my nails done and making videos about it. Like literally वहाँ पे there were छोटे छोटे बच्चे like 16-17 years के with their moms who were getting their nails done, and I was like I'm just 23 and मैंने अभी last महीने शुरू करवाया है यार nail extensions करवाना. Why am I so old already? But overall it was a nice experience, and I had a reason why I wanted to make this video is because I made one video where I was getting them for the first time, but at the same time I wanted to share my experience कि second time में क्या होता है, because if you're someone who are getting them as a beginner, you have no idea what's gonna happen next. So I hope that this video sort of help you in some way, right? And yeah, that was it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.